You can use Smart View to manage dimension information for financial consolidation and close. To begin, open a blank workbook in Excel and select the Smart View tab. Use the Smart View panel to connect to financial consolidation and close. Select EPM Cloud from the Shared Connections list to access your instance. The Dimensions and Attribute Dimensions folders list your application's dimensions. I'll edit the account dimension. You can use the Zoom In and Zoom Out options to browse dimension members. I'll select Next Level from the Zoom In list to view the children of the account member. I want to manage information for balance sheet members, so I'll use the All Levels Zoom In option to display all balance sheet members. I can use the Freeze Panes feature in Excel to freeze the row and column headings so that they remain visible as I scroll the worksheet. I can use the Excel Find feature to search for members. The member properties are displayed in the columns. I want to modify the alias for this member, so I'll scroll to the Default Alias Table column to make my change. When finished, I click Submit Data to save my changes. However, the changes do not become visible to users in the application until I refresh the database. To add a member, insert a new row. You can copy and paste a member with similar properties as a starting point for the new member. I'll modify the member name and alias. You can assign attributes from the attribute dimensions to members. I'll assign an attribute from the Intercompany Account attribute dimension to flag this member as an intercompany account. I've finished updating dimension members, so I'll save my changes. Now I'll refresh the database so that my changes become available to users in the application. Refreshing the database updates the database structure. You should follow the instructions in your product documentation for backing up data before refreshing. The progress bar shows the progress of the refresh operation. Click Finish, and then verify the changes are available to users in the application. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.